Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this scarf with the mini basket stitch. To make this scarf I used one ball of this yarn. The recommended needle is between 7 and 8 millimeters. And I am using a 6 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, a tapestry needle, and this piece to make a pom-pom. You have to start with a chain 3. And make 3 double crochet in the first stitch, in the first chain. Once you have the 3 double crochet, you have to chain 2, turn, and now we have to start with the increases at the corners and the mini basket stitch in the middle. To make the increase, you have to make a half double crochet at the beginning, then 1 double crochet in the same space, and here in the double crochet of the middle you have to start making the mini basket stitch. You have to make a front post double crochet. And continue on the other corner making another increase, now starting with a double crochet, and finish this row with a half double crochet in the same space. On the following row you have to start with a chain 2, turn, make the increase at the first stitch. To make the increase you have to make a half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same space. And now you have to see which stitch you have to make. To make the mini basket stitch, where you have a front post double crochet, you have to make a back post double crochet. So here in the double crochet of the middle you have to make a back post double crochet. So you have to make a front post double crochet. Then in the double crochet of the middle you have to make a back post double crochet to make the mini basket stitch. And then on the last stitch you have to make another increase, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the same space. On the following row you have to start also with an increase, chain 2, turn, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And now we have to see again where we have the front and the back post double crochet. Here we have a front post double crochet, so we have to make a back post double crochet here. So on the previous stitch you have to make a front post double crochet. On the front post double crochet you have to make a back post double crochet. On the back post double crochet you have to make a front post double crochet. Continue with a back post double crochet. A front post double crochet on the last double crochet, and finish this row with another increase, making 1 double crochet in the last stitch, and to make the increase 1 half double crochet in the same space. This is what you have to repeat to make the increases. So following row, make 1 increase, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same space, And here you can see that this double crochet is a back post double crochet. So here you have to make a front post double crochet. So on the previous row you have to start with the back post double crochet. So back post double crochet, front post double crochet here, and continue making the mini basket stitch. Back post double crochet, front post double crochet. You have to make one front, one back, one front, one back post double crochet to the end of the row. Where you have to make again one increase, one double crochet and one half double crochet in the same space. You have to continue making increases to have 15 stitches, 2 half double crochet at the corners and 13 double crochet in the middle. This is the size that I made for a child, but if you want to make it bigger, or if you are using a different yarn, you can make more increases or less increases. Now start making the mini basket stitch without increases. Start with a chain 2, turn, and you have to see where you have a front post double crochet, you have to make a back post double crochet, and where you have a back post double crochet, you have to make a front post double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. And at the beginning and at the end of the row of each row you have to make one half double crochet at the beginning, and at the end one half double crochet. So repeat the mini basket stitch to have the length of the scarf that you want. And then once you have the length that you want, you have to start making decreases. To make the decreases you have to chain 2, and to make the decrease you have to make the half double crochet, you have to skip one stitch and make the half double crochet on the following stitch. So skip one stitch making one half double crochet and continue with the mini basket stitch in the middle. And once you are at the end, you have to make again one decrease. To make the decrease you have to skip the last double crochet and make the half double crochet on the last stitch, skipping remember one double crochet. You made one decrease at the beginning, one decrease at the end, and on the following row you have to repeat the same. Chain 2, skip again one stitch to make the half double crochet, and continue making the mini basket stitch to the end. And once you are at the end, you have to skip the last double crochet and make the half double crochet on the half double crochet of the previous row. This is how you have to make the decreases. Continue making decreases to have only 3 stitches. And once you have only 3 stitches, you have to make a half double crochet treble decrease. And you have to cut the yarn and you finish the scarf. I'm going to show you how you can make a pom-pom with those pieces. Take the yarn and pass the yarn around the piece on one side. Repeat the same on the other side. And then with the scissors you have to cut in the middle of the pieces with scissors. And then take a thread, make a double knot. Remove the pieces and with scissors you have to make the rounded shape. And then you only have to sew the pom-poms on the sides of the scarf.